Well, hey guys, what's up? Welcome to day 4 of the 12 days of Christmas, and I am going to continue on this pocket screw train that I am on and show you one of my more popular, actually probably one of the most popular plans that I have ever made and a project that I've ever made for my shop, and that is the Craig Jig pocket screw cabinet. Not only does this thing house my Craig Jig, but it also has removable drawers that house all of the accessories for the jig. So anything with the drill bit, the adjustment wrenches, the head for the screws, the square drive screws, plugs for your holes if you want to plug them, and all the screws necessary to join up anything that you have pocket screws in can be put into this cabinet. And like I said, they are removable, so you can take them out of the cabinet and then take them to whatever project that you had all the pocket screws made in. And that way, everything stays in one place, and you don't have to worry about it. Another cool item that I did on this is that this jig is not stationary in this cabinet. So let's just say your project is way too big, like the lumber cart that I made, and you can't bring the huge pieces onto this unit. So you can actually take this thing out of the cabinet on a dovetail way and take it over to your project and then clamp it in place and use it and then bring it back when you want. So it makes for a very versatile cabinet. And because the drawers are in front, unlike most cabinets that I've seen where the lids hinge up like this, if you have your project already clamped in place, you don't have to take it off in order to get access to whatever you want. So if you use the discount code that's going to be down in the description below, you can download yourself a popular set of plans for this cabinet, and you'll get 50% off and build one for yourself. Make any kind of modifications that you want. So yeah, that just about wraps up this particular discount, and be sure and tune in tomorrow for the next discounted code. And remember, if you did not catch the lumber cart yesterday, you have until the end of today to download those plans. This one will be available today and tomorrow. So check that out, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow for the next plan. 1, 2, 3, boom!